Too Good to Not Believe, Brandon Lake, Cody Carnes, key of G. On the album they played in C. So you would just, from here you just slide up 5 frets to put you into C where they do it at. So you could, there's a couple different places you could do this on the neck. So you could, the lead starts on B. So you could do open B, so it goes B, first fret to the third. So that's a B, C, D. That's the beginning of it, right? And then you're coming here to the 5th on the E, and then down to the 3rd. So you do it twice through, and then the 3rd time, this is the intro, you're going up to 7 and then 5. And just let that hang out, and then you'd be at the first verse. So you could do it there. You could do it on the G string. So a B, which is on the 4th fret. So you could do it that way. So using the 7/5 here. So it'd be 4, 5, 7. And then on the B string, it would be 10 and 8. And for the higher one, you'd still drop down to the E string for, you could go all the way up to the 12 and 10 if you want, but there's a couple different places you could do it. So the intro, you hit that high one, and it just hangs out. Once you get to the chorus, oh, I believe, you're doing that again, but you're adding one more. So you do your 2 times. Going up with the 3, one more time. You're just adding one more on the 5 and the 7, which is an A and a G. And this is a B and an A. So you're just adding one more. So you do your 2 with the A and the G. 3rd one's the B and the A. And the 4th one in the chorus, you're back here. And then it just starts over again. So after the chorus, there's a little tag. So on that tag, you play it the same way as you play the intro. So you end on that. And then you're at verse 2. And that's pretty much it for the that lead part for the guitar.